What's up, y'all? Back here with another POV video again. As y'all see, BMW 330. Ordering new parts. It's about to get lowered and stuff. It's been about like 9 days, man, since I filmed the last POV, which kind of I know is bad. Knowing that I said that it was gonna not be that long. What the hell is that? But yeah, man. On my way back home. Literally, I've been out all day. Yeah, I have not been home. So wait, oh yeah, I'm gonna go this way. What am I doing? Honestly, don't even know where I'm at. I just pulled into the random lot to like stop the car Apple Play. Which kind of sucks that I can't use car Apple Play. You know. Head mount onto GoPro. I don't know when I'm gonna get a GoPro because it's not in my necessity. But that's the thing, bro. Like I can't like go around other places like that I don't really know the directions too much without my maps. So I don't know how I'm supposed to do that. And yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? Jeez, why is the headpiece so like high? Why is this light not turning green? Yo. Hello? Biker gang? This gotta be the most boringest POV video right here, bro. Not too much throttle, but enough throttle. That was a max throttle though. Tires feel weird. Well, although the POV angle looks good, at least like decent. Yeah, man, how y'all been though? Everybody who'll be tuning in from my other videos. Oh my gosh. Yo, I need to turn off this lighting, bro. I don't even know what that is. It looks like a wreck. Hold on, I need to turn on this lighting, y'all. So, you know, I keep on saying that I was gonna do a POV in downtown. Yeah, that thing could have happened today, but let's see if this guy wants a little fun around. Yo, is this guy gonna slow down, like, just a little bit, bro? We're gonna catch up. It's a scat pack, I think. There might be a Hellcat, I don't know. I see a badge right there. Looks like a scatter Hellcat badge, because if it was RT, it would like show a number, not a symbol. Wants to run it right here, right? Not want to run it? Does not want to run it? Does he not? No. I don't think he wants to. Does he? I don't even know what the fuck going on, bro.